Sir, wala
yata na. Wala pa yung not yet. I don't think it has come across my desk yet. But we have discussed yung the parameters whether we agreed no, yung to cooperate. Yung issues on sovereignty tsaka yung protection of our citizens is paramount.
Sir, do you agree with her na dapat po hindi lahat ng witnesses ipadala sa court?
Yung siguro dahil 100 something, no? I don't know, there's really need to have that many. Tsaka siyempre, kung pwede dito na ma-interview nung inquest proceedings, I think it will be better for all parties concerned.
Ano ba uupo?
I'm sorry, Joyce.
Sir, will we invoke MLEC, sir, for the Hong Kong inquest?
I think there was a treaty that I just forwarded to the Senate talking about sorry, I forgot the complete name of that. Pero that has yet to be ratified with the Senate. If I'm not mistaken, it's one of the 10 that we sent back. No, with China.
What will be the expectations of the people this time? And do you have a New Year's?
Thank you asked me that. Yung expectations, if you remember, we went to a company called Convergys not too long ago to open their new facility in San Lazaro. At that first day, they had to acquire a new office, a new floor, in addition to the ones that they had contracted out. And I think it was 2 days ago that I met somebody who said, remember that building, they have now had to occupy 2 other floors. So they now have a total of 8 in a period of about a month or so. So that I think is an anecdotal reference to what we should be expecting. The unemployment rate, the underemployment rates have all been improving. Yung solution of strike in a nearby place near Pangarap, for instance, has also been done expeditiously. So we're hoping that the economy really booms. No? That the disturbances in the other portions of the world economy will be mitigated and will have little effects on us. And we can really have the takeoff by next year. A substantial portion of it felt by our citizens. Kung meron pang paraan na madagdagan pa yung ginagawa natin, sana mahanap natin lakas para magawa yun. To that extent, magkakaroon na tayong exercise regime rin na mas regular. I'm taking up biking.
Sir, ano yung spending priorities natin?
For the new year, you think your government really has something to do with the
Palagi ko naman, yung tinapo niyo yung, dami actually, dami sabay-sabay na pumapasok sa isip natin. Tingnan yung sa budget, November na report na ng Secretary Abad na tayo ay nagka-surplus, halos kalahating billion na pinoproject yung mga 6 na billion ho yata ang deficit dapat. So, bigla na-reverse niya. At hindi ho nakuha yun dahil naghigpit tayo na sintron na yung mga dapat pondohan hindi pinondohan para lang magkaroon ng window dressing. Napondohan ho, sapat, lahat na kailangan pa pondohan, nagkaroon pa na surplus. Ngayon kung sa masinop ng paggugulo ng pera, di lahat ng pangangailangan ng taong bayan, makakapta natin sa madaling panahon, nadadama naman ito tayo. Kasi paano sa kaya. Siguro doon sa calamities mo dumaan sa atin, naramdaman ng tao kung gano'ng kabilis mo pumili sa gobyerno, gano'ng kakompleto. Dito, pagtaya ng ating pag-asa na maganda hong klima itong araw na ito, tama na naman po sila. So, marami yung aspeto. Yung bus strike din na di umano, yung naka-discomfort na kaunti, pero napakita ko natin gano'n tayo kaseryoso, hindi pwede ginagano ng taong bayan. So, yung pagiging hopeful, palagay ko naman may base. At sa pagtutulungan natin lahat lalo natin mapapabilis yan. Ngayon, napapag-isip lang minsan, yung ating good news medyo natatabunan ng gusto. Pero mararamdaman na tayo
Sir, ano yung spending priorities natin next year, especially in the first quarter, with the budget?
Di ba, actually lahat ganado. Kaya pag sinabi mo priority, gusto natin. Nag-umpisa kami, excited tayo na 6 years will not be enough to do everything that we have to do. Pero may nahabulo tayo madama yung pagbabago na yung magkaroon na sobrang momento pagpapatuloy yung sinusunod. So to that end, pagkaintindi ko, dapat gusto na talagang umpisahan yung paggawa ng nagkakamali na 3,000 plus. Pag-umpisa ng pag-hire ng mga teachers. Yung DOH, kausap po about 2 days ago, pinag-uusapan nga namin yung pangangailangan natin kung saan pupunin at nakahanap nga ako kami yung kakailanganin nila.
Pang-priming pa din ba tayo, sir?
Tandaan yung priority dito yung PPP ang gagawa ng ating mga infrastructure to a large degree, yung social concerns at talagang pag-uukulan ng budget. So, yun ang pinag-usapan namin na gagala ko kung may savings tayo na para mapondohan yung kakailangan ng Department of Health. Yung project ko will entail deploying nurses in rural health units to become, in effect, yung midwife positions doon na marami tayong pangangailangan. So, tinatapos na po nila yung mga pagsusuri na sumusunod tayo sa lahat po ng batas, so opinion ng DOLE at saka ng DOJ rin. At pagkatapos po na, papunta na tayo ng implementation. Pero yung pinakamalaking bahagi po doon, yung perang gagamitin para sweldohan at mabigay allowances itong kakulangan natin sa health practitioners, nandyan.
So dito lang kayo mag-New Year
So,
sa Manila?
okay, one dozen questions.
Sir, what's your plan for the New Year? Dito lang po kayo.
The first plan is, ang dami kong backlog to sa materials that have to be read. Dinagdagan pa rin kasi ito pa yung panahon na to, yung year-end reports. At ayokong pinagugulan lang pansin yun, ayoko naman hindi mabasa isa-isa yun. Medyo ang usapan nung sa tanggapan namin ngayon, yung by the foot na ho yung mga files, yung kapal. So, nahabol ko ho mga third of it, may two-thirds akong gustong hamulin pang tapusin. At para yung action na nga natin dapat ang action. So, dito ho ba, kung saan ako magkakaroon ng konting katahimikan para makahabol naman ho sa backlog.
So yung ulat ng bayan, that's matutuloy yung ulat.
Well, I'm mandated siyempre sa SONA talaga. No? Pero sa ulat, I think, let me just finish all of these things that I have to go through. At ayaw kong madagdagan ng, as the day goes on, dumadagdag yung backlog. Pero one thing that I wasn't anticipating, nakalimutan ko meron nga palang year-end reports by every agency that is under me.
Sir, ano na po yung action natin dun sa panibagong 7 na Pinoy na hawak ng mga pirata?
Tuloy-tuloy ho yan. May limitations ho tayo sa magagawa natin. We can send our Navy, for instance, to protect that portion. Yeah? Kaya kukulan tayo sa ating kasangkapan. Ngayon, tuloy-tuloy ho yung DFA as the lead agency na nakikipag-coordinate sa makinaukulan para masigurado yung kaligtasan po nila. Yung bagong pito, meron may kaka-release. Nakalimutan ko na po yung bilang. Pero hindi na naman problema ng Pilipinas po yan. Problema po ng buong mundo na itong parte na kalimutan ko yung pangalan ng Strait, na napakakitid. Talaga ho, at saka yung pagka-failed state na Somalia, talagang damay-damay yung buong mundo sa problema yan. So, tayo po yung nagko-cooperate at ako may kumpiyansa na yung DFA at saka yung DOLE, talaga naman dito may tigil na aksyonan yung kondisyon ng ating mga kababayan na nabibiktima ng tumapirata.
Sir, how would you sum up your first 6 months in office? Could you say that it's like light?
Hindi lang mo, at the end of the tunnel, in certain sectors, nararamdaman na po yung light talaga. Baka yung warmth of the new beginning. Ulitin ko na itong araw lang po ito, papunta dito, may nagsasabi sa akin na yung na ginagawa niyo dapat gawin at maraming nakakalang hindi magagawa yan. So, meron pa rin mga kulang. Kailangan magmapasikasi po tayo na yung kailangan naman po natin, lalo sa hudikatura, mangyari po within the bounds of the Constitution.
Sir, last
Tama kayo na, nakukuba na si Johnson.
Sir, yung Supreme Court, they said that they are not singling them out.
Okay, siguro, the spokesperson can address this, no? Liti ko lang. We set up a commission to study a particular problem. There is an allegation na systemic ang naging problema in the past administration. Okay? Ano ba pinagkaiba nun? Doon sa ginawa, for instance, si President Ramos when he set up the commission to study, President Estrada set up the Sagisag Commission to study the Expo, one particular project of the entire Ramos administration. Mrs. Arroyo herself has set up, I think not less than 5, probably more, commissions to study various problems. So sa atin, there's an allegation of widespread corruption and we didn't come up with the same pati terminology, a commission to study and submit recommendations if there were any issues involved. So, sasabihin naman nung siguro, hindi ako abogado, kaya hindi ko naintindihan. Pero, paano ho naging iba yun doon sa lahat ng umiral na bago sa amin? So, kami, ginagawa namin yan. Parang ginamit, meron kami mga presidents na nandyan na. Tapos, ulitin ko na nga, alam naman nila yung problema. Na sa adjudication sa ating bansa, study po silang gumawa, Supreme Court, budget by the World Bank, 6 years to finish a case or at least to have the initial decision. Itong pagde-delay na to, paano nakakatulong na magkakaroon tayo ng resolution? Ano naman po tinatanong natin?
So magkakaroon ako ng JELAC next month. Next month, are you scheduled?
I think it will be the letter that will be first on the block before the JELA. Okay?
Just go.
Maraming salamat, ma'am. Maraming salamat.
Okay.